Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can record high quality videos on Android. So through this video, I'm going to tell you tips and tricks for recording high quality videos on your Android devices. First, you need to use the right camera settings. So when you want to record a video using your Android device, okay, here this is the video. You need to use the right camera settings. So set your camera to record at the highest resolution and frame rate your device supports. So such here, I'm going to just go to the settings at the top, click on more settings, just find the video settings on your camera, this one. So this is the resolution and frame rate video. So I need to set it at the highest possible on my device, so which is 1080p at 30 fps, and also the front one I'm going to set it to 1080p at 30 fps also. And if your phone supports HDR or high dynamic range, you need to enable it for better contrast and vibrant colors. So in here, okay, it's automatically on my device. And after that, you need to stabilize your shot, so you can use a tripod or a gimbal stabilizer to eliminate shaky footage. But on my phone in here, I have this stabilizer feature, so it will stabilize my video automatically. And you need to also activate your phone's image stabilization, this one, if there is any available on your device. And the third one is lighting. You need to record in natural light for the best results, and use additional lighting like a ring light or LED panels when shooting indoors or in a low light condition, just like this. And the next one, a focus and exposure lock. You can just tap on the subject on your screen to lock the focus and exposure, just like this. And this will ensure consistent brightness and sharpness throughout the video. You can also use external microphones, so built-in microphones can pick up unwanted noise. So you can use a lavalier mic or a shotgun mic for clear audio. You need to also consider using a wide screen for outdoor recording. And you can use your camera's optical zoom or move closer to the subject to maintain quality, because digital zoom often result in pixelated footage. You can also use professional video apps like Open Camera, Cinema FV5, or Filmic Pro. And don't forget to frame your shot properly, so you can follow the rule of thirds for a balanced composition, and ensure your subject is well positioned in the frame. And you can also use editing apps like KineMaster, CapCut, or Adobe Premiere Rush. And don't forget to maintain a clean lens. So here you need to wipe your camera lens with a microfiber cloth to ensure clarity and prevent smudges. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.